So if you want to create a Google form survey questionnaire here, well, this one is actually quite easy. So first things first is you want to access a specific web page or a tool that you use directly from Google. So that's going to be Google Forms. Now you can go and just start type in the following Google Forms on Google, and the first thing that you should be seeing here for Google is going to be the forms. Now you can go and click on it, log in into your Google account, and that should redirect you to Google Forms. Now, in here, the great thing about Google Forms is you can actually choose from available templates already. So you can go and click on Template Gallery here, and further going to expand that. And there are a few things that you could do. Like, for example, if you want to gather like contact information, RSVP, find a time, event registration, event feedback, and a lot more. So depending on what questionnaire you're building here, you can go ahead and choose one that immediately is for you. But if you want to create from start here, you can go and click on the blank form option, and you can go and start adding whichever option you have, or building your questionnaire here. Now, the great thing about questionnaires is you can go and just choose which one you want to use. Like you have multiple choices, short answer, check boxes, drop down, even file uploads if you want, and even like a rating here. Now, for example, let's go and choose the option for, let's just say, short answer. Now, let's just say it is going to be your name. Like, let's just say your full name. And also, you could basically you could let them like provide a short answer here. And if you want to make this required, you could go and click on this one. And there are other options here, like for example, if you want to import questions or add title description as well, add an image and whatnot, and a lot more. You can go and do that. But let's go ahead and click on add a section here. Now sections are like the different parts, or if you want to really like divide how your questionnaire is going to look like. But let's go and just click on the merge with above here so that it's going to be like one section only here. But yeah, but for now, let's go and click on the plus button, add question here, and maybe you want to go and use the option here for drop down, and let's just say food you like, and you can go and just add the option one here. Like let's say this is going to be eggs, this one is going to be pancake. Now obviously you could go and just use whichever option you want. Again, like I said, there are different choices that you could use in here: paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, a lot more. But once you're done, go and just go to the option here that says publish at the top right, and you can go and just start managing who's the responder is going to be. Now with the link itself, it's going to be anyone with a link, but you can still manage this if you want to only give access to certain people. But let's go and click on done here. But if you're done, you can go and click on publish. Once it's actually published, you go and just copy the link itself. As you can see, yeah, you could go and click on it, click on copy responder link, click on copy, and you could just start sharing this to your friends or to whoever you want to interview. Now if you want to see the responses, you could go to the responses section here, and it should show you all the responses they have. Now you could also link this to a sheet in Google Sheets. Now if you want to adjust the settings, like for example, if you want to make this a quiz, also manage how the responses are collected and protected. Also, if you want to manage the presentation for it, the form defaults and question defaults here. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.